guys, it's your girl True the Jam back, and I came back to show you guys um my new labeler. So I went to Walmart and I got a new labeler because you guys know I already have a labeler, but it's pretty expensive for the little cartridges. So I was like, okay, I don't need something that's, you know, you get them for $10, so I don't really need that right now. So I found this. This machine itself was $17, I think. That's with tax. I think it's $16. So it came with the Dymo labeler, and it also came with a cartridge. Now this cartridge is white paper, and this is a laser. It is a laser machine, so you don't have to buy any ink or anything like that for it. So it's like always going to be here as long as you got batteries. The batteries do not come with it. I did buy batteries though. And then they have these, which is the cartridges. I got clear because I'm going to be labeling my eyelashes and lip glosses and different things like that I'm going to get into. So yeah, I need to label some stuff in my kitchen. So I was like, okay, let me break it out, do a review on it as well as a haul video. So yeah, I got it from Walmart, and these cartridges are only $3 for these. Now the other ones I paid $11 for a cartridge. So yeah, I said I'm gonna get these because it's very cost effective. So yeah, let's get started. So I didn't know what it takes, so I went to Dollar Tree and got both batteries for $1. Of course, you guys know I love my Dollar Tree. So let's get into this. And you guys keep this because I always keep this plastic stuff because I put it on the backing of my my books that I make, and I also keep it when I'm doing resin shakers, and it has a window. You use this plastic, so I always I cut out the plastic that I can use and store it somewhere. Okay, so I'm not going to use this cartridge because it's white and I kind of want to use the clear base, so I'm going to leave that to the side until I'm ready. So this is the book that it comes with. Let's see. It even has like symbols and everything, you guys. That's nice. So it keeps everything organized. So we're just gonna crack this baby, like go ahead and open the rest. And see, so I can keep and store these just like that. So how you put it in is, you see this part right here, it shows you pictures right there on how it's supposed to be. So you just put that in there. Okay, and then I'm just going to shut it. Now it takes the 4 Okay, now let's turn this on. And it's nice. The screen is nice, everything. So I have written down all the things that I need to make a label. Typo. Let's see. Print again. Okay, so yeah, this one came out. So that's gonna go in my flower container. Next, we're going to delete this. So let's see, clear all. Okay, so let's play with it a little bit. I'm gonna go sugar. So I got sugar in there, and I'm gonna press print. Okay, and there it space for sugar. And I like that this doesn't use a lot of space, like in between. It doesn't use a lot of space like my other one does. So I'm gonna go to clear, and then I'm gonna press OK. Then I'm gonna go grits. GRITS. So I'm gonna do grits. So I'm gonna print. And I have grits here. Then I'm going to do fish fry. F-I-S-H. And then I got a space bar. Getting to know these keys. Did I do a space bar? Yeah, I think I did. Okay, so we'll look over, so I'm gonna hit print. So I'm going to see fish fry. And then I'm going to make something so I can peel it off and you guys can see it now. I'm going to do, okay, so I'm going to make that and I'm going to print it out. Okay, now I'm going to put it on here to show you guys how it looks. So back here it has two spaces, so you just peel this off. And if you want, you can cut more off, which is what I am going to do. And then I'm going to put it here. I do want to cut some more of this off. Wow, this tape is really strong. Okay, so that's how it looks. This is the clear one. And you guys, it's the window here so that you can see just how much tape you have left. And what I love about this is that they're interchangeable. So if I want to change this out and go ahead and put this in, the white one, you can do that and still come back to it. So yeah, but I want to see like what's all the features on here. I know they have like where you can save it. So I'm going to save it in area 1 and then I'm going to hit OK. Now if I go here, it'll say area 1 truly jam. So yeah, I love that. So let's go out, clear it all, and let's go to settings. They have preview, language, set date. You can set the date, set contrast, so it's back to preview. So let's see what the insert is. Okay, you can insert symbols. Let's go in and see what the symbols are, like the dollar signs. They got the at, the 100%. So they have all the other symbols that you can use, which is great. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so cancel is there, but I want to see more inserts. So they have second lines, date, symbols. Okay, that's it. Then they have format. They have the size, style. Let's see what the style is about. Normal, bold, italic, outline, shadowed, vertical, normal. So I'm gonna keep it normal. Let's see what else they have. Okay, that wasn't there. That was in format, size, style, borders. Oh, they have borders. They got the ABC. Oh, so as you guys can see the borders here. Oh wow, they have a gator, a train, hearts, flowers. That's pretty. So yeah, okay. I want to try that. I want the flowers. There, I'm gonna put okay. And then I'm gonna go back to this file and I'm gonna push okay. Okay, let me see. File. Oh, darn it, I erased it. Okay, my bad. So okay, and then I'll go and do Truly Jam again. TRUL and then I'm going to hit print. And that is so cute. It came out Truly Jam, and it has the flowers on the sides. So yeah. I wonder, did I change the styles? Let me see, format. Hold on, let me push cancel. And let's see, format, size. Yeah, I got it on large already, so I don't know why it's turned out so small. But I love it. It's cute and it's girly. So yeah, you guys, for my review, I say this is Truly Jam approved. I love it. It's not all that high tech, but it's right. It's what I need for now, and I love it. So yeah, you guys, go out and get you one. This labeler, you can use it for anything. And because I'm doing other stuff now, I really want to use it as my labeler for things. So yeah, you guys, go out and cop this. You will not be unsatisfied. Yeah, you guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up these videos. Let me know what you think about this labeler. I love it. It's Truly Jam approved. And like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs them up. Thumbs them up. Thumbs them up. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Bye.